video, we're going to be using the floor area calculator to calculate our area for flooring, as well as to figure out the cost to install new flooring. Okay, so in our last video we talked about CPI, or what is known as the Consumer Price Index. Now when you figure out the resale value of a home, okay, in that particular province, in that particular year, you want to compare it to what it would cost to renovate your house or your residential property, okay, to work out how much income you would make out of it. Okay, so to do that, okay, the first thing is to work out our cost on the calculator. Okay, so for flooring example, when you're installing laminates, when you're installing hardwood, okay, or when you're installing tiles, for example, in washrooms, okay, you're gonna work out how much it would cost you, okay, for the material as well as for the labor. Okay, so to work that out, okay, based on square feet or based on area, this is a calculator, okay, that automatically calculates your total cost, okay, of flooring renovation. Okay, all you gotta do is put in the length and width in inches. Okay, so you get a measuring tape. Okay, you measure your living room. Let's say your living room length in inches, okay, is 120. Okay, now the width, okay, is, let's say, 240. Okay, so your area automatically comes about 200 square feet. Okay, again, this is in inches, okay, and your area is in square feet. Okay, now you're going to move on to your hallway. Okay, so let's say your hallway is 240 by width 72 inches. Okay, so your area comes about 120 square feet. Okay, your kitchen, let's say 120, okay, by 120, your area is 100 square feet. Your recreation room, 160 by 160, your area comes about 177.78. Okay, notice the calculator automatically calculates up to 2 decimal places. Okay, if you were to do a manual calculator or manual calculation on your calculator, okay, this is where you might make a mistake. Okay, decimal places, if you don't put the right decimals, a decimal or two could make a huge difference in the total area of your entire property. Okay, and hence the total cost of your flooring renovation. Okay, you can also use this calculator to do your paint renovation. Okay, so if you're painting your house, okay, this calculator would be a slightly different version of this calculator. Okay, if you're painting, you will need to calculate the area of your wall instead of your floors. Okay, so you could also use this kind of calculator, okay, for your paint jobs. Okay, now moving on, we have our ground floor washroom. Let's say the ground floor washroom is 100 by 72. Okay, so 50 square feet. Say staircase is 260 by let's say 60. Okay, so that's 108 square feet. Bedroom A, that is the bedroom upstairs, okay, on the first floor. Okay, so length is, let's say, 120, width is about 160. Okay, that's 133 square feet. Bedroom B, your length is 170 by, let's say, the width is 150. Okay, bedroom C, the length, let's say, is 180 by 180. Okay, 225 square feet. Bedroom D, 190 by 180. Okay, 237 square feet. Okay, master bedroom, 240 by 220, 366 square feet. Master washroom, 120 by 183 square feet. Washroom A, 80 by 60. Okay, let's say 80 by 100. Okay, washroom B, 120 by 100. Okay, washroom C, 100 by 130. Okay, so 225 square feet for your closets, that would be your all the closets in your house on the first floor as well as the ground floor. Let's say altogether the length in inches, okay, is 120 by 100. Okay, so that's 83 square feet. Okay, so basement, okay, basement, this is the staircase for the basement. So let's say again 240 by 72. Okay, your kitchen length, okay, your basement kitchen, okay, 120 by 100 for example. Okay, basement bedroom 140 by 120. Okay, then you got your basement bedroom 160 by 140. Okay, your washroom, let's say 100 by 120. Okay, okay, so this calculator automatically calculates your total area in square feet. Okay, let's say 3,780 square feet, okay, of your entire residential property. Okay, inside, this is the interior flooring. Okay, so when you put your cost of hardwood, for example, or laminate, let's say $2 per square feet, okay, it will give you how much your material will cost. Okay, so your material will cost about $7,560.26. Add the labor, you've got your total cost of flooring renovation. Okay, so this is basically how you use your flooring calculator. Okay, along with your CPI, which is your consumer price index, to work out your net income. If you're a contractor, if you're a subcontractor, okay, or if you're someone who's taking the measurements, okay, if you're a homeowner, okay, this calculator might come handy. Okay, especially when you're doing the calculations in front of, let's say, if you have a contract job and you're supposed to do the calculations in a short time, okay, it's possible that when you're doing manual calculations you might make a mistake. Okay, this calculator saves you the time and saves you the error. Okay, and also you could use this calculator since this is embeddable, okay, which means you can use it for your website. So let's say if you're selling your hardwood, let's say you're selling flooring materials, you could embed this calculator on your website or on your blog. Okay, it's embeddable, okay, on WordPress, wordpress.org, Facebook, Blogger, iWeb, Google Sites, so on and so forth. Okay, so you can also embed this calculator, okay, which again might attract traffic to your website or your blog, okay, using Google search. Okay, and this is basically a handy calculator, okay, that has multiple uses. Okay.